Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how we create a lead from the existing client account. So let's get started. So first of all, we have created our client into your Bitrix24 account. Now we just need to create a lead or deal from the existing client database. So first of all, we have to log in your Bitrix24 account, and in the left side, you will get the CRM option. So here you will get the options to create a deal from the existing account. So basically, if we have already client in our database, then we can directly create a lead, that is deal, into Bitrix24 account. Now for this contact, that is Ashu, we are creating the deal. So here are multiple pipelines over there. Then you can select any deal pipeline. Now I'm just creating the deal from SRF pipeline. Now I'm saving it. I'm giving the deal name, that is deal 1. Now I'm saving the deal. Here our deal has been created. Now we will see the Ashu. This is the client and for which we have created deal. So just like that, you can create multiple deals without creation of deal leads, and then you have to convert a lead into deal. You can directly create a deal from the existing client. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thank you.